is a wedding? Wow! They have a. What was the budget for the wedding?
Nah, bro, Indonesia's not real.
Reaction. Santai.
Mr. GM. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Apa kabar semuanya lor? Welcome back to my channel. Masih bersama gue Mr. GM. Nah, kita santai sejenak sambil menonton dan mereaksi video yang pastinya ini tetap spektakuler. Oke lor, oke. Tapi sebelumnya kita pakai batik simple tapi penuh makna. Yuk tonton video ini sampai habis. Nah, itu dia lor, keren kan? Oke lor, masih di kali ini kita akan mereaksi ini sebuah video yang pastinya masih super duper keren abis nih lor ya. Karena video ini kita akan mereaksi dari channelnya Waleska Herrera dan Mas Efra nih, orang Latin. Nah, video ini katanya baru pertama kali mereka reaksi lor ya. Ini tentang pertunjukan pernikahan di Indonesia untuk pertama kalinya. Ini adalah pengisi acara wedding sepertinya lor ya, pertunjukan tarian, pengisi acara nyanyi, hingga yang mengisi acaranya banyak banget artis-artis juga lor ya. Yang pastinya ini video sangat keren banget lor, hingga direaksi oleh orang luar, termasuk salah satunya yaitu Mbak Waleska dan Mas Efra. Dan yang ditunggu-tunggu bagaimana seperti biasa nih keseruan-keseruan reaktor gokil ini lor dalam berkomentar. Jadi penasaran lor ya. Tapi sebelumnya jangan lupa video ini di like, di komen yang baik-baik, dan di-share sebanyak-banyaknya loh. Dan juga jangan lupa untuk channel ini mohon untuk di-subscribe. Terima kasih. Tapi bagi yang julid, ya terserah, nggak usah nonton ini, di-skip aja ya silahkan. Terserah pada dulur semuanya. Lebih jelasnya lagi, tanpa panjang kali lebar, yuk kita simak sama-sama. Annyeong. Baiklah lur, sebelumnya juga kita ingatkan bahwa kita di sini juga mereaksi video, mau itu reaktor, kita reaksi, pokoknya kita mereaksi. Kalau ingin menonton yang original nanti kita tuliskan di deskripsi linknya. Jadi seperti itu lur ya, kalau menontonnya nonton aja video orinya. Oke, ini dia videonya, monggo. Just
Indonesian wedding performances for the first time. We don't know. We didn't know this was a thing up until we saw Mahalini performing one of her friend's wedding or something on her or her own. I don't know. And then it turns out it's a ginormous deal in Indonesia.
Let's go!
Let's do it. Yeah.
Indonesia.
Maybe they bring out some cobbler.
That's right, that's right. What is the budget for these weddings?
Not gonna. This is pretty next level.
Look at the place, the decoration.
megah banget lor.
That's insane. What?
Jadi mereka baru pertama kali lor ya. Pokoknya Indonesia itu tradisinya dari generasi ke generasi kalau ada wedding ya ada acara seperti ini lor. Entah nyanyi, tari-tarian dan lain-lain. Mereka baru tahu lor. Lanjut lor.
That is awesome.
This is my favorite aspect of Indonesia.
Oh my god, how cool is that? Oh, I love that.
It's like
How cool how they work with the the clothing.
it's like gamelan bells.
Bells, yeah. That is awesome.
Kaget mereka lor.
How cool is that?
Interesting chord tempo as well.
Oh,
Doubling
Hudson.
kanan.
Oh,
Oh, what
dua
the?
wajah. Wow, tari piring loh.
Guys, I think I lost a brain cell in the previous video. That was incredible.
What the hell?
Oh wow. Are they glued to their hands or something?
Efra sampai serius lur.
That could not just be inertia. Could it be? Wow. That's cool though. That's really cool.
What?
How did you dance with the plates?
Plate dance Indonesia. It's called the piring dance. It is performed by the Negeri Sembilan or West Sumatra, Indonesia. It originated and performed there. The dance might be performed by a group of women or men or couples, each of whom holds a plate in each hand and vigorously rotates or half rotates them in various formations and fast movements. The dance demonstrates the skills of the dancer who manage balance to move the ceramics plates swiftly without dropping them or breaking them.
So they don't have them like attached to their hands.
Another variation is called Tari Liling, the candle dance. Sometimes involves candles that are lit on the plate. Dancers hold the bottom of the plates in the palm of their hands and swing them wildly using inertia to prevent the plates from falling. It was inertia. Right.
Look at me using scientific terms. That is incredible. Wow, that takes a lot of skill. I wonder how many times you have to
break.
Yeah, wow.
That's Hindi, bro.
Yeah, but a lot of Indonesian folk.
Love Bollywood.
Suaranya.
Whoa.
Kaget.
He was like,
He like works
also,
security.
what a tune.
Asik.
Oh my god, he ate Alka Yagnik.
Oh, damn.
Oh. Batak lur.
Wow, what a singer. That's a wedding singer in Indonesia. I
Kaget
mean, this
mereka
is
loh.
your regular dude that you hire out. Wow, that is beautiful.
That's beautiful. Also, what the songs are you gonna sing in an Indonesian wedding? Because most Indonesian ballads are like the most heartbreaking songs I've ever heard in my life.
Indonesia
I'm
gitu
sure
loh.
they have really romantic ones too.
Definitely don't bring Anmesh or something. You're gonna make everyone cry, bro. You know?
I guess.
Bride farewell dance.
Palembang.
Oh, wow. Oh, that's beautiful.
Efra.
Oh, the song is also sort of sad. Oh,
Hey.
that's gorgeous.
You know, Indonesian weddings are like the real deal. This is
They're
unbelievable.
gorgeous.
Nggak
That is
nyata.
just so cool. Is the head dressings like is awesome.
Got the dry ice.
Wow. Wow, that was stunning.
Lihat masa lalu, semakin hatiku tak menentu saat ku melihat
It's a good way to see what the kicking scene looks like in Indonesia.
kau hadir
Weddings.
merubah
I also love that they dress so well for these gigs as well.
bawa cintaku setinggi angkasa membuatku
Bro, saxophonist.
merasa
Saxophonist.
sempurna.
Wow.
Kaget mereka loh.
What is that time signature?
I'm sort of hypnotized. This is to welcome the guesses? Like you welcome people like wow. This
Why?
is the level. This is the level of extra that I need my wedding to
Oh,
be.
mate, look at that place.
This is a level of extra that I need my life to
Bro,
be.
Indonesia really said like, let's get married. Yeah, nah, let's replicate Winter Wonderland, bro. Like,
It is insane. Like the
Look at the set
actual-
building,
Yeah,
man.
the set is insane. That. Wow.
yeah, nah, I'm going to that wedding just for the performance.
Rizky Febian.
Also, how often do two singers get together?
That sing that good.
Also, her dress was perfect. Oh, see? This is like a more regular-ish wedding.
Javanese. Regular.
This looks like a mall.
Bro, they bought a mansion.
I love how they work with the fabric. It's so
Ini mereka yang saksikan ini acara wedding yang budgetnya mantap lor. Tapi mereka belum juga nggak lihat banyak sekali yang kalangan bawah juga mengadakan wedding, acaranya dangdutan lor, ada koplo nih. Mas Efra harus ngerti itu juga lor ya.
cool. That is actually so impressive.
What the f? Look who it is. No one nears.
They have a. What was the budget for the wedding?
Nah, bro, Indonesia's not real.
Ini ternyata.
That song is impossible.
Rido Roma.
What the f? They all speak Hindi as well. She's trying to emulate how. Maybe Hindi is somewhat easy for them. 'Cause
Well, if you do Indonesian traditional music, like folkloric music, I feel like
You could do Hindi pop.
Yeah, you could do Hindi pop like way easier than anybody else because of like the Carnatic sort of like influence at the beginning. But
Because Carnatic is southern, so maybe I do wonder as well if like Telugu films are like famous there, or like on any other southern. Because if you're saying Carnatic is, you know, that's sort of the link.
Yeah,
That's
that is
obviously
the
South
link.
India. So
yeah, I don't really know, but
maybe southern film industries are also popular in Indonesia.
this is really fascinating to me, though. What a cultural exchange is fabulous.
Yeah, it's mind blowing.
Wow.
What is going on,
Chris Dayanti lor. Waduh, bayarnya berapa
Look at
lor
these
ya?
places.
bro? This is the Oscars.
Oh my
But that's not a wedding, bro.
This is an award ceremony.
Undang artis besar, modalnya
Look at what
Joss.
she looks fabulous as well. Like wow. That's insane. This is like a whole like wow. And I used to think Latin America did pretty extra weddings. Nope, not even close. We don't come even close to this level of extra. I want my weddings to
Oh.
be this.
Yeah, nah, bro.
Like this.
The only
okay?
thing missing is the only thing I'll do is like definitely now get married in Indonesia, right? Also, I have to make. I presume these people spend billions on this fucking thing.
Honestly,
This,
the budgets must be insane.
this guy's hosted the Oscars for their wedding. Like, what the fuck?
Just alone in the venue, there's a lot of money in that venue
It's
alone.
insane, man. Like the level of performances, the live band, the quality of everything, the production, the camera work, the fucking dresses, the outfits, the everything.
And then the food and the entertainment and wow.
Indonesia does not play around when it comes to weddings.
Wait. I need to know, what does a regular wedding look like, and how much are y'all spending?
Oke lur, angel iki anyel jos gadas lur, wah pokoknya jos gadas lur. Seperti biasa lur, video ini kita reaksi atas permintaan banyak banget nih dari dulur-dulur yang baik hati dan juga tidak sombong serta rajin menabung. Baiklah lur, kita tadi sudah kita simak bareng-bareng dari awal sampai akhir nih lur ya. Bagaimana keseruan dan kegokilan dan kekaguman dari Mbak Waleska dan Mas Efra saat mereka melihat pertama kali pengisi acara wedding di Indonesia yang sangat spektakuler lur ya. Banyak banget tadi kita tonton bareng-bareng sama reaktor tadi, saksikan lur ya penampilan acara wedding dari nyanyi, tari-tarian, tari piring, sampai tadi Mas Evra sama Mbak Waleska itu heran lur, bisa piring nempel katanya. Dan cara aktor ini pokoknya gokil banget dalam berkomentar tadi, pokoknya jos gandos lah kayak gitu lur ya. Acara pernikahan Indonesia itu memang sudah menjadi bagian dari tradisi yang kental lur ya. Tradisi ini mencakup berbagai ritual, upacara, dan prosesi yang berbeda-beda. Ini sesuai dengan daerah dan budaya masing-masing lur. Nah, pernikahan menjadi ajang yang sangat didambakan dan dihormati. Ini mencerminkan nilai-nilai budaya dan kepercayaan yang diwariskan dari generasi ke generasi. Gitu sepertinya lur ya. Nah, dari orang biasa hingga artis tadi ya mengisi acara tadi lur. Tadi ada Krisdayanti, ada Cakrakan, Rizky dan Mahalini dan lain-lainnya lur ya. Ya, seperti biasa lur ya. Setiap pernikahan itu tergantung budgetnya masing-masing yang punya hajat gitu lur. Tapi intinya dari kalangan atas, menengah, dan bawah pasti lur kalau ada acara pernikahan, ada acara pengisi acaranya itu entah dangdutan entah apa itu pasti ada lur di Indonesia. Pasti dulur-dulur semua juga pernah juga seperti itu, tulis di kolom komentar lur ya. Tentang wedding di Indonesia, pengisi acaranya siapa aja, tulis gitu. Yang intinya banyak sekali ya adat dan budaya Indonesia yang keren-keren lur, bikin orang luar negeri jadi penasaran dan kagum terhadap Indonesia, dan kita harus melestarikannya, kita jaga lur. Yuk sama-sama kita teriakan bahwa video ini adalah jos gandos top markotop lur. Oke, terima kasih semua. Menurut Anda kasih komentar di bawah ini lur ya. Juga silakan bagi dulur-dulur semua yang mau request ataupun menyarankan video mana lagi, insya Allah yang kita reaksi secepatnya kita reaksi lur ya. Dan juga terima kasih juga untuk channelnya Mbak Waleska dan Mas Evra yang sudah mereaksi video tentang acara wedding di Indonesia. Baiklah, sekali lagi terima kasih bagi dulur-dulur semua yang sudah menonton video ini dan video yang lain-lainnya juga. Semoga bermanfaat dan menghibur Mas Mbak semua. Pokoknya ini untuk hiburan lur ya, nggak usah dibawa baper-baperan. Nggak usah nanya tentang kok pakai masker, kok pakai. Nah, ini konsep kita seperti ini lur ya. Pakai seperti ini, kita pakai masker, dan terutama kita cinta batik. Batik is the best lur, budayakan kita pakai batik gitu lur. Yang julid, yang nggak suka ya udah di skip aja videonya. Kita juga nggak mau tahu lah seperti apa. Pokoknya bagi-bagi dulur yang baik hati dan tidak sombong, terima kasih yang sudah mampir ke channel ini, dan semoga saya doakan semoga semua diberikan kesehatan, diberikan kesuksesan serta kewarasan. Jangan lupa lur ya, tetap dukung channel ini dengan cara di like, di komen, di share, dan di subscribe channel ini lur, agar channel ini dapat berkembang dan lebih maju lagi 1000 meter ke depan. Salam santai, assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Reaction.